some extension hairs from Amazon that I really like to use, so I'm going to use them to braid my hair. I'm going to braid my little girl's hair as well, but before we do any braiding we have to wash them. So over this weekend I'm going to wash them, and it's like 8, and I normally get like a time and a half out of these braids. So I'm pretty sure one pack of, there's 8 of these. I'm pretty sure one pack of 8 will be able to do the hairs. And I have some leftovers from previous braidings. So that's that. And I bought something else. Something that I have wanted. I don't think I'm gonna visual this. It's a tripod that I can use for my phone. It's heavier than I thought it was gonna be, but it's fine. This can fit in my bag. This can fit in my knapsack, which is fantastic. Ooh, so here's the side. You can put the camera up here, which I can put my Osmo up there, and I can put my Nikon. And then here's the part for the what's it called, the phone, in case you want to use the phone, because I do use the phone. I use all 3. I've been really loving doing b-rolls. I don't know if you guys noticed in my videos, but I've been really enjoying filming some b-rolls, and it was kind of annoying that sometimes I couldn't move the camera from anywhere but on the counter or the desk, and so that's what this is for.
66 and we keep on driving. We just do what we wanna do. Yeah, no, nothing's complicated with you. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the wildness. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole along. Being with you is like being on the rodeo highways. Brings out the wildness. I got a little crush on you. You say that I'm crazy. It's just the way that I get every time that I am with you. Your laughter takes me to heaven. I just wanna make you repeat it and repeat it again. Yeah, you make the sky so blue. No, nothing's complicated with you. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the wildness. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole along. Being with you is like being on the rodeo highways. Brings out the wildness. I got a little crush on you. On the highway, it's our way, Route 66, and we keep on driving. We just do what we wanna do. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the wildness. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole along. Being with you is like being on the rodeo highways. Brings out the wildness. I got a little crush on you. Ooh, I got a little crush on you.
So I went to the gym and came back feeling nauseous. As you saw, I definitely had something before I went. But I guess, I don't know. I didn't feel quite right after I got back. But unfortunately, that's not gonna stop me from doing what I need to do, because this week all three of us need to get her hair washed. So that's on me, and I gotta keep going. At least mine could probably wait until tomorrow after work, but I wanted to make sure that Boo Boos and Tibbs got theirs done.
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. We don't have to move so fast, baby, I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right away, got so much time, looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy.